Welcome back to our channel. I am back with subject English. Yes kids, in today's English lecture, we are going to start our new unit, Unit 2. Right kids? Unit 1 complete करने के बाद हम आ गए हैं Unit 2 पे. So kids, in Unit 2 we are going to start with our poem. The name of the poem is Bird Talk. What is the name of the poem? Bird Talk. Yes kids, the poem's name itself suggests that the birds are talking. Right? Bird Talk. The name of the poet is Eileen Fisher. Yes kids, poetess का नाम क्या है? Eileen Fisher. So kids, सारे ग्रेड्स में आपको एलिन फिशर की एक ना एक पोयम तो जरूरी आएगी. राइट? So are you ready? Yes. Let's read the poem first. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Come to the next line. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Next line. Things said the robin. Things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Let's recite the poem with some actions. Yes. Things said the robin. Things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin. Things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now let us start with the explanation part. Things said the robin. Yes kids, as you all can see that there are two words in the poem. Right? The name of first word is robin and second is jay. Right kids? Things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Yes kids, these two birds are sitting in a garden. वो कहाँ बैठे हैं? गार्डन में. रॉबिन और जे कहाँ बैठे हैं? गार्डन में. Yes, they are talking something. Yes kids, do you know even the birds talk? Yes, जैसे हम इंसान एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं वैसे ही birds also talk. Right kids? You all talk to your friends in the school, in the park, at your home. Right? In the similar manner, the birds are also talking. What are they talking? Let's see. Next line. Robin is saying, think about people. The both birds are discussing लोगों के बारे में जरा सोचो. Yes, मैंने आपसे कहा कि वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Yes, वो इंसानों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking about human beings. So what are they talking? Think about people. Let's just go and think about people. The way they grow. वो कैसे grow होते हैं? वो कैसे बड़े होते हैं? Right? They don't have feathers. Yes kids, as you all are aware that we human beings don't have feathers. हमारे पास पंख होते हैं? No, we do not have feathers. किसके पास पंख होते हैं? Right, birds. वो क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि उनके पास पंख है. वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि इंसानों के पास तो पंख भी नहीं होते. At all, you know, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते. आपको तो पता ही है. Right? Coming to the next point, yes, what were they discussing? They were discussing that human beings also don't eat beetles. Yes kids, वो बोल रहे थे कि कैसे इंसान है, ये तो beetles भी नहीं खाते. That is known as beetle. Okay? थे कि कैसे इंसान है, ये तो beetles भी नहीं खाते. Beetles that means कीड़े मकोड़े, the group of insects. Right? वो तो कैसे है? इंसेक्ट्स भी नहीं खाते, बीटल्स भी नहीं खाते. दे डोंट ग्रो विंग्स, और उनके तो पंख भी नहीं है, ना ही वो पंख ग्रो करते हैं. ग्रो दैट मीन्स उगाना. होते हैं हम ह्यूमन बींग्स के पंख? ना ही होते हैं, ना ही हम ग्रो करते हैं. दे डोंट ग्रो विंग्स. दे डोंट लाइक सिटिंग ऑन वायर्स एंड थिंग्स. और इंसानों को कितने अजीब है, ना तो वो वायर पे बैठते हैं, ना ही चीजों पे. राइट, द बर्ड्स वर डिस्कसिंग कैसे इंसान है, अजीब, स्ट्रेंज. ना बीटल खाते हैं, ना विंग्स ग्रो करते हैं, ना वायर किसी और चीजों पे बैठते हैं. Yes, again in the next paragraph, both are telling to each other, things said the robin, things said the jet. तो उन्होंने क्या कहा? सोचो जरा सोचो. Yes, things said the robin. Robin ने कहा सोचो कैसे है ये इंसान. Things said the jet. जय ने भी रॉबिन को कहा सोचो कैसे है इंसान. Aren't people funny to be that way? क्या इंसान बहुत फनी नहीं है, बहुत ही अलग नहीं है, स्ट्रेंज नहीं है? क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि इंसान बहुत स्ट्रेंज है? Yes, like this, the conversation of the birds were going so on. Okay, kids? Yes. So in this poem, the talk between two birds is been mentioned. Yes. What is mentioned? Both are talking to each other about human beings. हम इंसानों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. What are they talking? Yes. See, I have drawn gestures also. You can see in the textbook also, kids. They are talking and thinking about human beings. हम इंसानों के बारे में वो सोच रहे हैं. So what they are thinking? About our habits and culture. Yes. वो अपने कल्चर, अपने हैबिट्स, अपने बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर को हम ह्यूमन बीइंग के स्ट्रक्चर से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ओके, दे बोथ आर सिटिंग इन द गार्डन एंड डिस्कसिंग अबाउट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. दे आर डिस्कसिंग दैट क्या इंसानों को फेदर्स क्यों नहीं होते, कितने अजीब है. वो तो विंग्स भी ग्रो नहीं करते, ना ही बीटल्स खाते हैं, ना ही इंसेक्ट्स खाते हैं, ना ही वो कभी तारों पे या किसी चीजों पे बैठते हैं. Both are saying to each other, things said the robin. The robin is saying to Jay, think, and again Jay is telling to Robin, you think. Right? They are discussing that we human beings are very funny or strange. One more point. Don't forget the name of the poetess, which is Ellen Fisher. Now let's see some important meanings. Yes, kids. Number one is Robin. Yes, kids. In the poem, Robin is the name of a bird, right? Name of a bird. Similarly, Jed. Jed is also name of a bird. J or Jed. Name of a bird. Number 3 is W-A-Y, way. Way, that means manner. Okay. The way they adopted, the way they talked. Right. Manner. Next is number 4. To grow. To grow, that means to become big. To grow, that means to become big. Right? To grow, that means to become big. Right? Come to the next word. beetle. Yes, in the poem मैंने आपको दिखाया beetle. Right, and insect. And the last word meaning is funny. Yes. F-U-double-N-Y. Funny. Funny, that means something that makes you laugh. Something that makes you laugh. Right? कोई ऐसी चीज या कोई ऐसी ट्रिक जो आपको हंसा दे. राइट. सो किड्स, आई होप कि आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मीट अवर नेक्स्ट इंग्लिश लेक्चर. देयर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू. Alright, till that, recite the poem, learn the poem properly. Okay, meet me in the next lecture. Bye bye everyone, take care.